Have you ever worked with a person and you had ideas? Your spidey senses kind of tingled a little bit, but you ignored it, hoping for the best? Well, kind of had that situation happen to me just very recently here. Um, did some work for a guy's company and or a guy and his company, whatever. Um, when it came time for payment, excuses. I finally got paid. Did it? It bugged me in the first place, but then he reached out to do some more work for him. I did more work for him. You know, listen to your inner self. That's all I gotta say. Listen. Again, when it came time for payment, stories, blah blah blah, this, that, the other. He did finally sit down and say, "Here, I can offer you some collateral." So me being a nice guy, I said okay, and I was offered a couple of things. Pardon me. He offered me three different watches as collateral. I chose the cheaper one of all of them, just because I figured, okay, I'll give you a chance. But so I got this Seastar, this Tissot. Uh, but I should have took all three of his damn watches, or I should have chose the more expensive of the three, because now I'm stuck with a watch that it doesn't help me really. It's sized to him. I just held it in my box here as collateral. I don't have any of the papers, the document, the box for it, the extra links, nothing. So it's only worth so much as it is. So enough of me griping. Here's where we sit, people. Would you like to buy it? Tissot Seastar 2000. Very nice. Low mileage from what I can tell. Um, Beyond that, I have plans, which I will share with you guys as they come up. I'm not saying nothing, but here's the thing. I have a lot of watches on hand, as you can see. I would like to get rid of some of these. So if you guys would like to buy a watch, anything that you see here, I would gladly give you one heck of a deal. Reach out to me. Tell me you saw the video here. You know, I'll give you a stellar deal. Well, I'll give you the best deal that I can. You know, take that for what it is. I'll do the best that I can, that what I can. But I need to recoup cost, parts. Pardon me, a little bit of my time, and depending on where you are, it's going to be free shipping as well. If you're in North America, free shipping. So be reasonable, and I'll be reasonable with you guys. But I just wanted to, you know, come on, sit there. I just wanted to make a quick video, show you guys that I've got quite a lot on hand. I need to raise some money for other things, which I'm sure you guys will like to see. Oh, hey, check this one out, for instance. This one here was one of the first ones I kind of prototyped for him, which he was actually supposed to pay me for as well, but he didn't. And this one, he didn't get the watch at least. But anyway, so here you guys. I got lots of watches for sale. Reach out, give you stellar deals. I'll make you famous. Anyway, have a wonderful day, you guys. Cheers. Love you. Take care. Like and subscribe. Join for more. blah, 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 yada, yada. You know the spiel. We've all heard it before. Cheers, you guys. Love you.